Hey everybody, I'm so excited to finally show you what's inside the Peerless Explorer Bundle. This is our brand new all-in-one travel watercolor kit, and it comes with everything you need to sketch and paint absolutely everywhere. First up is this Soolla Studio Pouch. It comes in multiple colors, it's big enough to hold your entire setup without being bulky. It has pockets, dividers, and just keeps everything organized and ready to grab on the go. Next is the Arteza Travel Sketchbook. It's the perfect size for tossing in your bag, and the paper handles watercolor beautifully. It's ideal for quick sketches or full little paintings when you're out exploring. The sketchbook is 5.5 by 5.5 inches, and it comes with 44 pages of cold pressed watercolor paper. Then in this cute little package, you get everything you need to paint on the go. So first, we've got a water brush, which is a must-have for painting outside the studio. Just fill it with water and you're ready to paint without needing a cup. Putting pressure on this piece will release the water, which is actually stored inside the paintbrush. So you've got everything you need right in your one paintbrush. These Fineline markers come in 5 different nib sizes, so whether you're outlining, sketching, lettering, or adding tiny details, you've got the perfect pen for every step. They're smooth, consistent, and great for pairing with watercolor because the ink doesn't smear once it's dry. Perfect for those clean line drawings or little details that you want to pop. And then this little roll of washi tape is for framing off your painting area. Gives you those clean, crisp borders, peels off easily when you're done. And of course, the star of the bundle, the Sidekick palette. It's filled with Peerless watercolor dry sheets, so you get incredibly vibrant, transparent color in the most travel-friendly format. Just touch your damp water brush to the sheet and you're instantly ready to paint. No pans, no mess, no extra setup. What I love most is how lightweight it is, but it gives you such a wide range of colors to work with. It's honestly the easiest way to keep a full watercolor palette with you wherever you go. So that's everything inside the Peerless Explorer Bundle. It's basically a complete little art studio you can zip up and take anywhere. Perfect for travel, coffee shop sketching, plein air painting, or just keeping your supplies organized at home. I love how everything fits neatly in the Soolla pouch with so many pockets for all of your art supplies, and it still feels lightweight and easy to carry. The Soolla Studio Pouch can be tossed into your bigger bag, or it's got a loop on each side so that you can easily attach your own strap. Whether you're new to watercolor or you've been painting for years, this setup makes it so simple to create whenever inspiration strikes. I really love how easily everything fits back into the Soolla pouch. It looks compact, but it actually holds so much more than you'd expect. I mean, look at these pockets. There's a spot for your palette, the pens, the sketchbook, and even little extras. Everything has its own home, which makes it so simple to stay organized and ready to paint whenever inspiration hits. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you see how easy it is to take your creativity on the go.